Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and I do fitness, fashion, and beauty for women over 50. And today I am working with Sephora as part of the Sephora squad to bring you a sneak peek of December's Playbox. Okay, you guys, if you don't already know, the Sephora Playbox is a subscription service that you pay $10 a month and you get 6 samples of Sephora's hottest new high-end brands that you get to try out, see if you like, to decide if you want to purchase them full size. So let me show you all about this little box and what's inside. So first of all, how cute. When I get the black and white stripes, I'm always like, ooh, ooh, you know, because I know it's Sephora. So you open it up, and the first thing that you get is this really cool pamphlet. Now it actually breaks down all the products, and to me, I have to know because I want to know exactly what each product is and I can do a little bit of research on it, okay? Now the bag for December, how cute is this? And this actual pouch, it's reusable and recyclable. Yeah, I'll probably use this when I go to see my squad members in Los Angeles pretty soon. Let's crack this puppy open. Okay, so I know that there are gonna be 6 products here and it's based on my Sephora Play profile, so they send you products that they know you will actually want and like. Okay, now I love mascara, so I was really excited to try this, and this is by Smashbox. Check it out. Yeah, that wand is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. That is number 1. Let's see what else we have here. I'm just gonna dump them all out on my lap. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, the second thing I got was Wonder Beauty, and this is the Lip Retreat Oil in Skinny Dip, which is nude. Now, you guys, my lips have been so dry, not just because of menopause, but because it's winter time, and I have been obsessing over lip oils. Who knew? But lip oils are amazing. They condition your lips, so I cannot wait to try this little lip treatment, and yeah, I'll probably wear it tonight. Yeah, probably, because I can feel my lips drying as we speak. I need to put my readers on because, let's face it, I can't see a thing without them. The next is OUAI, and this is a body cream. This is a whipped body moisturizer that quickly absorbs without leaving any greasy residue. Let me talk about dry skin. Actually, can I just put this on now? Is that rude? Oh, I don't waste anything. Like, I'm using that from the top of the lid. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, okay. Rub it on the hands. Perfect. That is a number 3. I love that. And then the 4th, oh you guys, this one, am I excited about everything? Yes, because this one I've read about. This is Dr Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. Now you guys know I'm in menopause and you guys know that I do not sleep, and I have actually been searching for a depuffing for my under eyes because sometimes I don't sleep at all and I wake up in the morning and it's not a pretty sight. So I am super excited to try this, and I've definitely read about it. It says apply a pea-sized amount to your ring finger and gently pat onto moisturized skin. No smiling. Seriously, avoid facial expressions until it is dry to get the best effect. Oh! Next, we have, how cute is this little pot? Oh my gosh, adorable. This is Fresh. This is their Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer. Now, I have used Fresh products before and I am absolutely in love with them. So I know this is gonna be amazing. Okay, so this has hyaluronic acid in it. This lightweight gel cream is a moisture magnet. It delivers intense hydration for up to 24 hours and contains ingredients to soothe dry skin. Yes, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, I'm very excited about. Cute too. Ooh. And then finally, okay, we have Amica 3D volumizing and thickening conditioner and volumizing and thickening shampoo. If you guys follow me, if you guys watch me here, you know I'm in menopause. My dream is volumized hair. That's all I ever talk about. I have actually tried this product before. I love this product. I love everything from Amica. These are great because they're like travel size, so when I go traveling, I'm just gonna throw this right in my travel bag and I will have shampoo and conditioner for 2 days. I absolutely love the idea of this play box because you can sample out all these products and then decide which ones you want to try and purchase in full size. And okay, what am I most excited about? This Dr. Brandt Skincare, because I need to get rid of those puffy bags. But honestly, like, everything here is really lovely. I mean, I love all of it. I will use all of it and I love all of it. And if I really love any of these products, I can go out to Sephora and get a full size. So again, it's only $10 a month. It's delivered right to your door and you're gonna get 6 of like Sephora's hottest new products that everybody is loving and talking about. So I really, really hope that you guys pick this up. Now, if you purchase this before December 11th, you will get the play box sent to you and you will have your little palms on this box yourself. So listen, and again, the contents are based on your Sephora Play profile. So this is just an example of what I got. I hope you guys really love this video. As you know, I have been working with Sephora, part of the Sephora squad, so I want to say thank you, Sephora, for sending me my play box. And if you guys have any questions or want to know any more about these specific products, I'll list them below. And go ahead and subscribe, follow me here and on Instagram, and I hope that I will see you guys in 2020, the whole year. All right, you guys. Bye.